everybody, I'm Leon. Welcome to a new video. I make content every day focused on video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if you're interested in those, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Camtasia for your computer. So without wasting any of your time, I'm going to jump right into it. Okay everybody, so this is the official Camtasia download page, and unfortunately it has a price on it, but you can download a free trial. I don't know how long it lasts, but essentially just click on free download, and you can obviously pick your operating system. So I'm on Windows, so I'm just gonna, and essentially you just want to let it download. And essentially this is the setup wizard, so please select language. English is my language, well technically Welsh, but I accept the license terms, click on the and just let it install essentially. And typically and as per usual you're met with, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click yes, and let it download. And as you can see, Camtasia has been installed. Alright everyone, so that is how you download and install Camtasia for your computer. If this video was of value to you, then be sure to subscribe with those notifications turned on for more videos. Leave a thumbs up and share the video to help it rank in search results and help the channel grow. And if you have any questions or feedback for me, then be sure to leave them down in the comments section or pop me a message at leonofficial_17. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care everybody.